In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Civil 3D units. Getting your units right at the start of a project keeps your geometry accurate, prevents scaling surprises when you bring in outside content, and makes your labels and dimensions read the way your team expects. We'll begin by opening the Drawing Units dialog. The quickest way is to press the U and N keys on your keyboard and then hit Enter. That shortcut launches the Units command immediately. You'll see a dialog that controls how lengths are displayed, how precise those displays are, and how inserted content is interpreted. Next, choose your length type. This setting tells Civil 3D how to show numbers as you draw and report distances. Decimal is the most common for metric work, and for many engineering workflows, it simply shows a number like 12.5. Architectural displays feet and inches with fractional inches, which is typical for building design. Engineering shows feet with decimal precision, often used in civil projects in imperial units. Pick the format that matches your project standard and the expectations of your deliverables. Remember, this changes presentation, not the underlying geometry. After selecting the type, set your precision. Precision controls how many decimal places or fractional increments are displayed. For decimal or engineering, you might choose 2 or 3 decimal places for general site work and more if you need tighter readouts. For architectural, you'll pick a fractional denominator, like to the nearest 1/8 or 1/16 of an inch. Higher precision helps when you need granular feedback, but excessive precision can clutter readouts and make annotations harder to scan. Choose a level that balances clarity with the accuracy required by your project. Now set the insertion scale. This tells Civil 3D what unit to assume for content you insert, such as blocks, external references, or survey data. If your project is in meters, set the inserted content to meters. If you're working in feet, choose feet. This prevents parts and references from coming in too large or too small. Match this to your project's base unit, and when possible, use the same unit as the source files you plan to insert to avoid automatic scaling. When everything looks right, confirm your changes by clicking OK. Your drawing will immediately reflect the new display format and precision, and any future inserted content will scale appropriately. If you're working from templates, repeat these choices in your template files, so every new drawing starts with the correct settings. With units set correctly, you'll model, annotate, and collaborate with confidence from the very first click.